DIs come in two different categories. That's active and passive. How do you pick between the two? When do you use an active or passive DI? Well, there's a general rule that's very simple to remember. If you have an active source, you should use a passive DI. If you have a passive source, you should use an active DI. So what do I mean by active versus passive sources? A passive source would be your standard electric bass or standard electric guitar. If you're gonna plug that into a direct box, you definitely wanna use an active DI. On the other hand, if you had something like a keyboard, that's an active source. Anything that has a power source that's plugged into it or a battery operating it is gonna be an active source, and that is when you wanna use a passive DI. So it's simple. It's just the opposite of whatever your source is. Now, as with anything, this is a general rule and it doesn't apply to every situation. For example, if you have an acoustic guitar that has an active 9-volt powered preamp, you can definitely use, and you might even want to use, something like this, an active DI. I strongly suggest experimenting and listening and seeing what sounds best for your particular situation. So there you have it. That's how you choose between active versus passive direct boxes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what direct boxes you're using and how you're using them. And if you're not done scrolling through your phone, hanging out on your smart TV or your computer watching YouTube, I would strongly suggest that you check out these videos right over here.